Hello once again, my beautiful children. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and yesterday we did one and many in English, and we wrote some CVC words as well. So children, I hope you all have written it neatly in your books. Now we'll do a quick recap of one and many, where I'll show you some objects. Then we'll do an activity, and then we'll write new words of one and many in our notebooks. Now let's do a quick recap. What is this? This is a chalk. But how many chalk? Only one. So this is one chalk. But how many do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes it many chalks. So we write many chalks. Next we have one pencil. How many? One pencil. And here how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 pencils. So I've added an S. Next we have one bowl. A single bowl. And here we have 1, 2 and 3 bowls. So we have 3 bowls with an S. Next we have one spoon. How many children? A single spoon. And here we have 1, 2 and 3 spoons. So more than one is called many spoons. Here we have one comb. A single comb. And here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So more than one becomes many. So we have many combs. So this was a quick recap. So children, let's start our fun activity. Here I have one and many placard, and look here, I have so many beautiful pictures. Some are many and some are one. Let's find them and place them under one and many placard. So let's begin with the first one. Let's start. What is this? This is an apple. It's a single apple. So we put it under one. Now where are the many apples? Oh, here they are. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Many apples. So we place it here. One I have is duck. A single duck. So I'll place it under 1. And here I have, let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ducks. That's many. So I'll place it under many. Next I have is a clown. Lovely clown. It's a single clown, so I'll place it under 1. But here I have how many? 1 and 2. 2 clowns. So I'll place it under many. Next I have is a bird. A single bird. One bird. So it'll go under 1. And here I have so many birds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 birds. So I'll place it under many. Next I have is a car. One car. So this will go under 1. And here I have 1, 2 and 3. So I'll place it under many cars. Wasn't that lovely? Now let's read it once more. One apple. Many apples. One duck. Many ducks. One clown. Many clowns. One bird. Many birds. One car. Many cars. I hope you enjoyed the activity, children. Okay, so today we will write one many again, but we will write new words. So I have written one many and I've made a line as well. So we'll write today's date, which is 2 7 dot 8 dot 2 0 20. The first word is Jeep. So it will be J E E P, Jeep. Next word is clown. C L O W N, clown. Next word is flag. F L A G, flag. Next is brick. B R I C K, brick. Next word is crab. C R A B, crab. Then train. T R A I N, train. Next, drum. D R U M, drum. And the last word is tree. T R E E, tree. So what we have written? One of each word. Now we'll write the answer of many. So one Jeep, and when we have to say many, what do we say? Jeeps. So the answer is J E E P S, Jeep, jeeps. You saw this, children? We add an S to make it many jeeps. Next word is clown. So one clown and many clowns. Yes. So the answer is C L O W N S, clowns. See, we add an S. Next word is one flag. Many flags. Very good. F L A G S, flags with a S. Next is one brick. Many bricks. So we write B R I C K S, brick, bricks. Next is one crab. Single crab. When we write many, it becomes crabs. So answer is C R A B S. We add an S, crabs. Next is one train. Train. And many trains. T R A I N S, trains. Next, one drum and many drums. So answer is D R U M S, drums. And the last is one tree. Many trees is called trees. More than one tree, trees. T R E E S. Trees. You saw, children, when we write many, we add an S behind every word. Let's read our one many words again. Jeep, jeeps. Clown, clowns. Flag, flags. Brick, bricks. Crab, crabs. Train, trains. Drum, drums. Tree, trees. You will have to write it the same way that I have written in the notebook. You will write it the same way in your notebook. And you will keep practicing one and many words. So children, I hope you all enjoyed learning the new concept in English of one and many. I enjoyed teaching you all as well. Please write your words neatly, do revision and learn the spellings of one and many as well. Till we meet again, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.